Today I'm going to teach you how to stop junk email in Outlook. So I'm starting here by opening Microsoft Outlook on my computer. As soon as it launches, I'm logging into my account so all my emails can load in. Once that's done, I can see my inbox is fully loaded with all my messages ready to go. Now, to stop junk email in Outlook, I'm heading straight to the inbox pane where all my emails and email folders are located. This is where I can see everything that's come in, and it's where I need to find the email I want to stop receiving. So I'm scrolling through my inbox and looking for that specific email from the sender I want to block. Once I find it, I'm positioning my cursor directly over that email. From here, I'm right-clicking on it. As soon as I do that, a context menu pops up with a bunch of different options. Now, from this list, I'm hovering my cursor over the option labeled junk. When I hover over it, additional options expand out to the side, and from those expanded options, I'm clicking on block sender. That's the one I need. As soon as I click that, Outlook takes care of everything automatically. From now on, every email from this sender will be moved straight to the junk folder without showing up in my inbox. So I've now blocked that sender, and I won't be seeing their emails cluttering up my inbox anymore. Everything from them will go directly into junk from this point forward. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.